When disaster hits, staying connected can save lives. That's why Optus has SatCats available to deploy into communities, providing mobile coverage, 000 access, and free Wi-Fi for all. When local towers are unavailable, we are able to help communities stay connected when it matters most.
We have 9 SatCats in Optus fleet at the moment, all over the country, to make sure we cover all of Australia during a disaster. SatCats can be deployed in under 2 hours, making them the fastest available solutions.
The solution that we've deployed on the SatCats is different from 3 perspectives from our typical enterprise deployments. The first one is it's obviously outside, so the technology we have to use there and support is ruggedized. It has to be okay out in rain and wind and in low temperatures, high temperatures and so on. The second reason it's different, it has to be turned on really quickly, so in a matter of hours. And the third is there's not a lot of space in that trailer. So what we've got to do is minimize the amount of space that we take up in the trailer with our networking equipment. So that's where having a cloud orchestration system like Aruba Central means we can set up and manage that equipment on the trailer remotely from the cloud. It doesn't take up any space in the trailer.
HPE Aruba Networking Central is our cloud-based management and orchestration platform. It enhances the deployment and reliability of the SatCat deployments by allowing pre-staging and configuration to occur remotely, because it minimizes the need for on-site technical resources in an emergency or disaster recovery scenario. Our wireless access points are optimized for harsh Australian conditions. They also support a large number of end-user devices and IoT devices, which is important in disaster recovery scenarios because of the diversity of devices that will need to connect to the Wi-Fi environment. We continue to invest in R&D initiatives to ensure that we continue to meet the tough conditions and demands of our customers across any environmental condition.
Optus and HPE Aruba Networking have been partners for 15 plus years. One of the reasons that we partner with Aruba is that they have been a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for wired and wireless networking for 18 years, which is very impressive.
HPE Aruba Networking and Optus remain strong partners in the ANZ region. We will continue to collaborate with Optus to ensure that our solutions complement one another and that we can effectively address the changing requirements in the emergency and disaster recovery space.